on part 2 of these doors. Now it's time to make this section and hopefully we can get that done. Don't seem that complicated, and hopefully by the end of this we can get it up, tilting up, and then we can get the glass, hopefully the glass, we can get all of that and build the frame for them and finish this door off, and then do it all again on the passenger side. So here we go. I've put the door skin over what I've made. I don't know if you can see how tall that is, and that's, see, it's right down, so that needs to be dropped. The gap there is huge, and that gap is not straight, it's wide at the top, touching at the bottom, touching there, massive gap there, and then a huge gap there, which is like just over 10 mil gap, which I have to make up. So best thing to do really, I think, is to cut it down in there, notch up and across, take that bit out, because that outer skin is not too bad, but the top is still no good. So at least I know that's fitting quite nice on there, and we can sort that out again with fiberglass. Yeah, so I'm happy. At least I know the outer skin fits on what I've built and it looks reasonably good. So we can get on with making that hinge bit now. Looking on the photographs, what it looks like is just a big triangle piece that goes over the top. So we're going to take some measurements, take it over to some steel, and then make a big triangular piece for it to go on there for to bolt onto. I've cut the shape out that we need for this triangle a bit to go on here, so I bent it in, and basically it's all going to go on there. I can bend it in the right bloody way, like so, and then that will go over there, and that's it, pretty much. So now we've got to make this into steel, so we'll go mark him up, cut him out, and then bend it and weld it in. We've put that on there, and we've drawn around it. I don't know if you can see that, and it's time to cut it out. What we need now, we're going to go to the bender and bend that, and then we'll be back to welding the car. Before we weld it on and bend it, it'd be a good idea now to drill some holes in it so we can put the hinge on. So we'll do that first. Okay, well, we got all them mashed up. Now we'll go to the drill press, drill them out, and then we can bend it at the same time. So here we go. We have our piece bent, drilled, and now all we got to do is drop it on there, and hopefully it all lines up, and we'll bolt it in. We have it all bolted on. We're going to run some welds down there, and then hopefully it'll work. So fingers crossed. Here we go. So let's stick some weld on there, and then see if it works. Here we go. Yeah, boy! Right, now we got that in, tacked in. There is another brace that comes across here, so I'm gonna have a look at that now, and then oh, I like that. Lovely. Chuffed the beans with that. That works lovely, but on this, as you can see, when it stops turning, we got to put that one in. So that's our next thing now, and it's got a slight bend to it as well, so we might have to stick it in a roller or jump on it, jump on this bit of steel, put a little bend in it or something like that. But we'll cut that, measure that, cut that, get it welded in, and pretty much that's it for now. Got this side in now as well as that side, and they go up and down lovely. So what we've got now is we've had some what's it called, sound deadening through, so we're going to put some sound deadening all through there, and on the other side you can see I bonded it and I fiberglassed over the ribs, so that's all in. So we'll do some of that now, and the doors will have to wait now until I get the glass and all, so we can build the tops of them and go from there. Sound deadener stuff, really light, really light. What I suggest is, if you live in a hot country, is to stick this in the fridge overnight, and then I just cut it with scissors in. It was lovely. But if in the UK where it's always cold, you just cut it. And then I'm going to use my propane burner to heat it up, so it'll be nice and sticky, and it'll stick in there. But I'm going to clean that first, or clean them all first with some cleaning fluid, and then we'll get ready to stick them down. Okay, yummy. I suppose that goes in that way, like that. Dookie. Let's heat them up a bit. I hate this thing, it always does this. Bit of heat into there. Nice and sticky. Let's drop him in. Oh yeah, that's lovely and sticky. Stick my bloody hands, that's sticky. Okay. That's pretty much it. I tell you what I got a roller over there. Fiberglass roller. And I'll just give it a roll in. Might be on bloody thing. Sticking it out. Yeah, lovely job. Now we just do it all to them. They're all in. Lovely job. Just gotta get all them ones in now because they're just in place. I gotta heat them up and put them ones in. We got all this sides in now, same as that side. And I did a little mock-up of a dash. So I've got that in here. Not final at the moment, but in the morning now we're going to go somewhere special, so we shall catch you in the morning.
Hey people, we are going somewhere exciting today, but I'm driving at the moment, so I got a 3-hour drive. You have to wait until we pull up, and I'll see you there in 3 hours time. So here we go, off on our trip to a special place. We just got here now at the Prover headquarters, and we got something exciting over there for everybody. And this is my first time of actually seeing a countach in person completely done. So let's not hold the suspense for you guys. So here it is. So we got it all set up, and I think he said the door's open. Whoa, look at that. Hey, that's posh, isn't it? We've taken the wheels off so we can see how everything is put together. It's mind blowing. It's quite good to see a car fully built and see how everything is actually put together instead of looking at photographs. So yeah, it's a big eye opener. That we actually got one of these in the garage that we're building. It's crazy, really crazy. So I thought it'd be quite exciting to show you guys a car all in its glory. The wheels are quite nice as well, aren't they? And the wheels are nice in the gold. There we are, a bit up in there. And the seats and everything, how it's all put together. I don't know how wash opener. I don't know if we can get the engine open up or not. Yeah, so this one's got a V8 Rover engine out of a TVR with a UN1 gearbox. I think one of these. I don't know if we can open that up or not, I don't know. So. Oh, there we go. We got it. Hey, look at that. So yeah, it's crazy. It's good to see how it all goes together, because like I say, just looking at pictures all the time is it's quite mad really to see this is how it's done. So I'm here at Prover, so we'll be talking a little bit of business and picking up some parts for to build our windscreen. We got some of the parts here now. We got the U channel for the windows, to build the windows, and then I'll be carrying on with our part 2 or part 3 of our build. So I got a lot of talking to do, so I hope you're glad you like that little walk around, and I'll probably see you in the car on the way home. So I'll catch you in a minute, boys. Here now at Prover, and I've got my U channel so we can build the window frames. And now I'm off to another friend of mine who's got glass that we can lend until the glass comes in from Prover, and then I have to give my glass back to my friend. So we got another 2 hour, just over 2.5 hour drive to my friend's house, and then another 3 hours back. So it'll be like a 9 hour round trip altogether driving. So we'll see you when we get there. put these windows up. That's taken me 13-hour round trip out of. Well, I just run the corner from my house now, so we got the U channel, we got the glass. We'll catch you in the morning. Well, we got the U channel that we need, and we got the glass off my friend. He didn't want to be on camera, so that's why the footage was a bit weird when I said we was gonna go and see him, and then he didn't want to be on camera anyway. So respect on that. So yeah, we're back. I think this might be end of part 2, beginning of part 3 for the good old window door frames. So we got well, I got a lot to get on with. So I think we might meet you in part 3. Thanks for watching, everybody. Love all your comments, and we shall catch you in the next episode. Stay safe.